Jesus. I'm getting a lot of fan mail and phone calls. They're all hate mails. And how can you do the Trump statue? Oh, boy. I'm Alan Cottrill. I'm a sculptor of the figure, as you can see. I'd done maybe 16 to 19 other presidents, but it's the first living president I'd ever done. Well, I think it's a pretty recognizable pose. It was the pose that Trump struck shortly after the intended assassin nicked his ear in Butler, PA, and he rose up from the ground and put that fist in the air. The crypto guys had told us that President Trump probably would unveil it either in December or January. So we worked 7 days a week getting the gold leaf on this, got it finished the first week of January, thinking we would be delivering and installing it. And here we are 5 weeks, 6 weeks later. They haven't paid for the intellectual property rights for the use of this image to launch their token. And they owe me some monies for other things. And I said, okay, wire me the money, and then we can install the statue. So I'm still waiting. It's a little over $90,000. It's not insubstantial. Part of it's principle. You know, you do what you say. You do what you say you're going to do, and when you don't, yeah.